Hi everyone, it's Matt, Tanner, and Libby. We just wanted to talk to you guys for a little bit about lighting in your videos and some of the ways and techniques you can use to improve your lighting. So this will be two parts, indoor and outdoor. When you're indoors, chances are you'll have a lot of overhead lighting, like fluorescent lightings that are white or yellow. Let's say, for example, we're shooting with Libby as our subject, and we want a little more light coming in this way. There are some shadows on her shoulders from her hair and her hat. How can we bring a horizontal light in to make this more balanced and a little bit clearer? So for example, let's say there is a door leading to the outside world. We are able to open it and a little bit more natural light has gone into the area. And now if we look back at Libby, the area where their shoulders and the hat is just a little more brightened. There are other things you can use, such as, let's say it's nighttime, you can use a lamp, maybe stick it in the corner so that it reflects off and comes softly on your subject, or maybe your cell phone light. Also, there's poster board or like pieces of white paper you can use to sort of reflect the light that you may have indoors. There's also like professional lighting materials, some reflective things that you can use. Feel free to experiment, it's really fun. There are definitely some don'ts in the indoor situation, such as using direct light or too much. It might accentuate the shadows, which you may want on purpose for a scary effect or something, but for most of your purposes, chances are you'll want it to be very soft and welcoming to the subject. Also make sure that you cannot see the light source in your shot. For example, if you can see the lamp that you're using the light in your shot, chances are you don't want it there. Also think about the shadows. If the light is directly on your subject, there might be a really harsh shadow in the background which can be distracting, or you might even see the shadow of the camera and tripod you're using. Yeah, I think that's it. All right.
There's also the ability to use natural lighting outdoors. The sun can either really benefit you or hinder you, depending on how you use it. Buildings or large structures like trees can provide a cover from overexposure of the sunlight. You want to avoid having your subject immediately in the path of the sun. Your subject may have shadows on their face and might result in an overexposed shot.